excited, so I'll be opening this, and it's so exciting. So it's a animal magnetism, and it's Horseshoe magnet friends, and it's really cool. So I'm gonna be opening it for you guys. These are fact cards. There are penguin, tiger, giraffe, and panda. I wonder what magnet animals are in there. Ooh! There's penguin and panda. That's so cool. Ooh! This is so cute. I love the giraffe one because it's really cool, and I love the blue. And this is our tiger. Wow. And it's so cool, but I love the coloring, and I love the color of the eyes. It's so pretty green. And I love the penguin. It's so fun and cool and cute, and I love the detail on it. It's so cool. I love the panda. It's so on fleek, and it's so cute. And my favorite one of all of them is the panda. Okay, now I'm going to be opening the magnet marbles, and it's going to be the tiny babies and all the food for these animals, and I'm gonna pick out two. This one. This one goes with this one, and this is food for this one. So it's very easy how to tell which one goes with which, because you have lots of them, and now I'm gonna start playing with them. Okay, there's this little booklet that comes with it that your mom can read for you of all the choices that you can play with inside of it. But I'm just gonna play even though, and it's really fun that you could do this. And I'm gonna sort them by color. Okay, they stick together really well. I think there's 4 of each color. It's so amazing. I didn't realize this, but I made a cool pattern. White, red, white, red, white, red, red, white, red. It is so cool. Okay, so 2 sets, wildlife and farm, and neither one is cringy because they both are good.